Okay, I'm super hyped for this unboxing today. Let's see what Blogify from AppSumo can really do. First impression. Clean interface, modern design, feels intuitive. So what's Blogify? It's an AI-powered blogging automation tool. It claims to automate your entire blogging process. Let's test that. Here's the dashboard. Everything is right where you need it. Let's try creating a new blog post together. I just enter my topic and hit generate. Whoa, it's writing the whole article for me, super fast. The content actually reads naturally, not robotic at all. You can edit, tweak, or add images right here. Now let's publish. Just one click and it's live. No copy pasting, no formatting headaches. Huge time saver. Let's check out the monetization features next. There's a built-in tool for adding affiliate links automatically. You can also insert ads and track revenue inside Blogify. Honestly, this streamlines the whole monetization process. For bloggers and creators, this is a game changer. No more juggling multiple platforms or tools. Everything's in one place: creation, publishing, and monetization. I love how the AI adapts to different writing styles. You can choose tones, formats, and even target keywords. It's perfect for SEO-focused content creators. Let's see how it handles bulk posting. Batch upload topics. Blogify generates posts for each automatically. That's a massive productivity boost for busy marketers. The analytics dashboard is another highlight. You can track views, engagement, and earnings in real time. It's super helpful for optimizing your content strategy. I noticed the support resources are pretty robust too. There's a help center, tutorials, and responsive chat support. If you're new to blogging, it's easy to get started. Advanced users will appreciate the customization options. You can connect your own domain and branding easily. Now, let's talk about the value on AppSumo. You get lifetime access for a fraction of the usual price. Honestly, that's hard to beat for this level of automation. Would I recommend Blogify? Absolutely, if you want to save time. It's ideal for bloggers, marketers, and content creators. If you want to focus on creativity, not busy work, grab this. But if you prefer total manual control, it might feel too automated. Ready to automate your blog? Check out Blogify on AppSumo now.